Hey everybody, welcome back to Heirloom Permaculture. When we were putting up the frame for the Caterpillar tunnel, we were talking about needing to, or considering anchoring it, and we decided it is something we need to do. So we ordered a set, or a couple sets, of these. They're drive-in anchors. This brand is Shelter Logic, Duckbill's the brand. We can put a link in the description. They're a 30-inch cable, and you drive the anchor in with a rod, and it toggles and sets, and then attach it to the frame here. So we're gonna go ahead and anchor this down. We've got 8 of them we're doing. I was talking about in my end, order a couple more and hit the majority of this to keep it anchored down good, because we don't plan on moving it, you know, who knows, ever, maybe, I don't know. So we'll show you how this works. If you've got any small building, little shed, a small greenhouse, a Caterpillar tunnel like this, canopies, anything, that's what this is good for. So I'll show you how easy it is to install these. So where I'm drilling through is where the lift kit meets the bow. We're above the rebar, so we're actually going through 4 layers here. That's why it's a little harder to drill through. This will drive down right in front, and then we'll run it through and clamp it. That's to my advantage. Pull the drive rod out. We wrap the cable around it a couple times, and then pull on it. And that little give is the anchor turning and setting. Yep. Sorry for the runny nose, sniffling. Not sick, but it's cold and rainy. Has been for days, feels like. that glove. There we go. So we'll probably come back and tape these to the legs just to get them out of the way. And I'll tape up this tag end here so we don't get scratched on it. And we'll put 8 of them in right now. That's all we got. And then we'll decide if we want to get some more. Probably hit every one of the bows with cross member. Just have an even anchoring all the way down. So fill that back in. That's all there is to it. So here to show you anchoring this down so that Oklahoma wind doesn't take it away. Appreciate y'all stopping by. We'll see you next time. Bye.